Okay, we are about to explore this new tool, Windows utility. Basically, in another new 2 terabytes drive, you can see everything is cleared out. So the users who suggested this tool, I think it's Manish or Harish, Vignesh. So yeah, the chat was suggesting about to explore this tool. This looks nice. All we have to do is just go to the GitHub repository, and there is a command. Yep, this first one, and it basically gave me a complete UI. I selected Brave browser, Discord, Git. I already installed some of these myself, manually of course, but this could have saved a lot of time for me. So let's see how it actually installs. And we can also tweak things, right? Disable home group, debloat edge. That's nice. Just I wish to just uninstall the entire edge. Oh, it was Manish. Sorry. Thanks for the details. I like it. I'll keep it in my mind. I'll be using it from now on. Configs, I don't really have much configurations. NFC file systems, that's actually turned on in my streaming PC. That's fine. But the customization is extreme. I like it. So let's see how it works now. Install or upgrade. I clicked it. Is there any feedback that I clicked it? Or maybe it's running showing in the background. Yeah, looks like it's doing it. The queuing Brave. Yeah, I see admin mode. Set a user password for logging and user-based installation. I don't have anything. Do I need to have a user password for it? I don't really remember what password I gave, but we'll see. Man, it's really comfortable. If I could be doing this by myself, it would take me for about 1 or 2 hours, and of course multiple restarts. Now I can just sit like this and let it do all its things. But is it still running in the background? Let me see the task manager. I don't see any network connectivity, network activity. Sorry, I don't see much. Maybe it's warming up. Let's see. Winget is installed. Use Windows 11 debloat. Of course. Oh, there is actually a UI based thing that it's installing, but the rest I don't see. The only problem is I don't see any network activity. So if it's installing, it needs to be getting something from the internet. But I don't see any network activity. Not even RAM. These things are like my browsers. Why is Firefox taking this much? Is it because of my tabs? No. By closing my tabs, I dropped 300 megabytes. Maybe out of all these, ChatGPT might be taking a lot. Let's see. 200-ish for one tab. That's fine. For how much is this taking? Oh, that one tab took around 400 megabytes. So closing GitHub, 200-ish. Is it moving or is it not moving? Probably I paused it. No idea. Okay. Oh, Winget itself is outdated. Unexpected error. Operation was cancelled by the user attempting to repair Winget using repair Winget package manager. There's a package to repair the Winget package manager. Nice. I think it's now downloading the Brave browser. So that's what I was referring to. We can see there should be a network activity. Yeah, there it is. So it's evident that it's working. Which programming language he used to write this? It's basically scripts. Bunch of PowerShell scripts. Awesome. I know this guy, wonderful person. Not in real life, of course. Just YouTube videos. If I could get a solution to play Battlefield in Windows, play Battlefield in Linux, then I would have moved to Linux by now. It's gaming and this voice meter. So this new tool, Windows Utilities, has successfully installed many of the applications. It's also installing Discord all by itself. That's nice. Oh, they have a parallel version of this for Linux, which is written in Rust. Awesome. I will do all the login parts later, but we can clearly see it's installing one application one by one. Really awesome.